Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to change Outlook password when you have forgotten your password. First, you need to go to Microsoft's website and into that the Outlook. After coming to this window, you have to press sign in, enter your email details and phone. After entering email or phone number, click on next. Now they will ask for your password. When you have forgotten your password, go to forgot password. They will take you to this window where you have to select this. Then they will ask you to verify your phone number by typing last four numbers of your phone number. After doing this, press on get code. You will see somewhat window like this. Press on solve puzzle. After solving the puzzle, they will send a code on your phone number. If you don't have that phone number with you, then you can always use a different verification option, which is your email address. After writing the code I have got on my number, I pressed next. Then they will tell you to create a new password and re-enter the password. After doing it, press next and that will take you to this window, and my password is changed now. Press to sign in. You have to sign in using your phone number or an email address. I'll do it with my email address. And now here for a password, enter your new password here. After that, click to sign in, and they will ask you to stay sign in or not. That's completely your take if you want to stay signed in or not. For now, I'm clicking on no. After this, as you can see, we have opened our Outlook mail. So now you can use it for whatever purpose you want. If you find this video useful, then please like and share video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.